favorite thing about ServiceOne I like is, honestly, it's the family atmosphere.
They're very caring. It's not only about work. They care about your personal life. And, they've helped me through so many, personal issues.
Nobody wants to hold anyone back. It's something that we strive on, and we want to make technicians feel comfortable coming to us so that they can get that knowledge and they do better.
We definitely look out for each other. It's not just about the almighty dollar, but it's about the people here, keeping them happy.
A lot of people, I feel like, need that personal connection with the people that they work with. And to me, ServiceOne is exceptional at doing that.